to Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Nick Wright, head of SS&C Global Investor and Distribution Solutions, to discuss digitization in the asset management space. Nick, it's great to meet with you. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Jill, great to be here. Thank you.
We hear a lot of talk in the financial services market about digital transformation in asset management. What does it mean, and what role is SS&C playing?
Look, you're right. It's everyone's talking about it. Whether people are really doing it or understanding what it means, I guess, is another question. So look, for us, digitization means the end-to-end. It doesn't mean just delivering a front-end portal so people can use it. It means automating, leveraging the leading technologies of everything we do, from the start of the process of dealing with distributors, dealing with the end investor, through to investing the money, through to reporting out the other end, and really making it 24/7 instantaneous processing. And that's primarily around technology, but it's also around delivering the processes and the people to support that at the same time.
How are the needs of asset managers changing?
Well, changing all the time. And I guess the first thing you'd say is that there's no one particular asset management type out there. Depending who you are, you've got the big global players, where clearly it's about global consistency, wanting a global distribution model, servicing their distributors. And then you've got smaller players targeting on a particular sector or a particular segment in a particular country. I think what's consistent across all of them is they're all looking to be real time, 24/7, to offer their end investors the solutions they're looking for. So whether that's investing in an ETF or a mutual fund or anything else, or directly, or whether that's they want to trade digitally, or whether they want to pick up the phone or send a letter. And, you know, organizations like ourselves, which are servicing those asset managers, really need to be able to offer that optionality and cover all the bases.
And Nick, what do you expect will be the main challenges for the industry in the next 12 to 18 months, and how are you addressing them?
Look, there's a lot of new players coming in, non-traditional players who are bringing new challenges into it. There's new products being launched all the time. You know, we're a global organization. We think, despite, you know, regulation in each country, there is going to be global consistency. Distributors are going to look to do things globally. Everyone's going to want 24/7. And what that means is servicing somebody. So if you decide to look at your portfolio at 11 o'clock at night, Jill, or on a Sunday afternoon, you can do exactly the same as if you're looking at it on a Wednesday at 11 o'clock. If you need to talk to somebody, you can talk to somebody. Equally, the industry is going to use technology, whether it's artificial intelligence, whether it's robotics, whether it's DLT, as in distributed ledger technology, to really drive things forward. So lots of change, lots of consolidation coming, lots of new products, lots of competition. And there's going to be lots of investment needed, because you've got regulatory change coming in each country and each market segment, but also global regulation at the same time. And that's before we even look at things like ESG and socially responsible investment and other things there.
All right, Nick, I appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you very much.